Здравствуйте, друзья! Hi, friends! It's your Russian teacher Alicia again. Today, let's talk about something that really confuses foreigners: Russian internet slang and emojis. You've probably seen it if you chat with the Russian friends or scroll Russian social media. Привет! Привет! Спасибо! Спасибо! But there's no emoji, just parentheses. What does it mean? Let's figure it out together. What does this mean? In Russian internet culture, this sign means a smile or friendliness. It's a substitute for a smiley face like this one. But instead of typing the face, Russians just type closing brackets. Привет. Хорошо. And the more brackets, the bigger the smile. What if you see this sign instead? Now here's the opposite. These signs mean sad or upset mood. Плохо. Плохо. Жаль. Жаль. So, happy, sad. Think of it as tone indicators in text. So let's talk about Russian internet slang words. Besides punctuation, Russians have their own slang too. Here are a few you'll see often. Lol, 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 but spelled in Russian letters. Lol, Russian version of lol, but more ironic or meme style. Roffle, roffle, roffle. From roffle means joke or prank. ZBS, slang for awesome but a bit rude, short for the ibis. Use carefully. Imba, overpowered from gaming slang. Пруфы, show me evidence. Example chat. Как дела? ЗБС. А у тебя? How is it going? Awesome. And you? Actually, ЗБС is quite rude. Let's look at image style differences. In English, we use all the time. Russians do too, but Russians often don't use emojis in casual chats. Instead, they use brackets and exclamation marks. Emojis might feel a little too formal or too much for Russians in everyday texts. As an example, спасибо, пожалуйста. Looks simple, right? But there's friendly words hidden there. So now it's your turn. You can write a comment below using brackets or other punctuation like real Russia internet user. And let me know if you want to know anything more about Russian language. And subscribe and see you in the next video. Спасибо, до свидания, пока-пока.